Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Smart Daily. Today I'm breaking down one of the biggest questions people ask me. How do you speak English fluently and confidently, even if you're not a native speaker? I'll show you 7 proven steps, real-life examples, and a practice routine that actually works. So, grab your notebook, and let's begin. The real meaning of fluency. Before we start, let me clear one thing. Fluency doesn't mean perfect English. Fluency means you speak smoothly. You speak without fear. You can express your ideas clearly. You don't need a big dictionary in your head. You need communication skills. That's what we're building today. Step 1. Think in English. Most learners make a big mistake. They translate every sentence from their mother tongue to English in their head. That makes you slow and nervous. Instead, start with micro-thinking. Think small English words. Think in English labels. Think in English reactions. For example, while eating, say in your head, "This is spicy." While walking, "The weather is nice." Before sleeping, "Tomorrow will be productive." Your fluency starts in your head, not your mouth. Step 2. Speak 15 minutes a day. You don't need hours of practice. You need daily practice. Here's a simple routine. 5 minutes. Talk about your day. 5 minutes. Talk about one object in your room. 5 minutes. Speak about a random topic from Google or Chalkit. The secret is consistency, not perfection. Step 3. Learn sentence patterns, not big grammar. Stop memorizing giant grammar books. Confident English speakers use patterns. Examples of patterns you must know. I want to plus verb. I want to learn English. I am going to plus verb. I'm going to start studying. I don't know if. The reason is, master 25-30 patterns. You can speak thousands of sentences without stress. Step 4. Shadowing technique. This is one of the fastest fluency boosters, used by language learners in the US and Europe. Shadowing equals listen to a native speaker and repeat at the same time, like an echo. Do it with podcasts, news, YouTube videos, movie scenes. Shadowing helps you copy pronunciation, rhythm, American accent flow. Do 10 minutes a day. Results are crazy. Step 5. Speak without fear of mistakes. Fear is the real enemy, not grammar. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. Here's a rule. If you understand yourself, and the other person understands you, your English is good enough to speak. Confidence comes from speaking, not from waiting until you're perfect. Step 6. Use power words for confidence. Want to sound more confident instantly? Use power words like actually, honestly, basically, from my point of view, in my opinion. Let me explain. These words make you sound more professional and natural, just like American speakers. Step 7. Daily 5-minute real-life practice. Every fluent English speaker I've coached follows this simple routine. Real-life mini practices. Order food in English. Think in English while messaging. Read English signs. Record 30-second English audio notes. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Small daily habits build huge confidence. 60-second practice routine. Let's practice together. Say these out loud with me. I can speak English. I am improving every single day. I don't fear mistakes. I can express my ideas clearly. I am becoming fluent and confident. Repeat this every morning. It rewires your brain. Call to action. Fluency is not magic. It's a skill, and you're building it right now. If you want more English speaking videos, practice sessions, and vocabulary lessons, hit the like button, subscribe to Learn Smart Daily, and tell me in the comments which part of English is the hardest for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.